Hello, today we are going to discuss keyboard shortcuts for MacBook. In MacBook, we are using Keynote to implement that shortcuts. Actually, that shortcut will work any text editor. So let's start. First, we use Command plus and Command minus. That used to increase font size of the text. So let's start and check. uh, I click command plus. You can see it increasing the font size, and if I click command minus, it will decrease the text size. Because I select the complete box, it will implementing on all text. If I want to only change one word, size of one word, I will select that and then plus command plus. You can see it is increasing the text size for the selected text. If I click command minus, it will start decreasing the text size. Thanks for watching.